The Veemo Velomobile is a modern and eco-friendly reverse electric tricycle designed to make urban commuting more comfortable, practical, and sustainable throughout the year. Built in Canada, this lightweight vehicle combines the benefits of a bicycle, electric bike, and compact car into a single innovative transportation solution. It features a protective canopy that shields riders from rain, wind, snow, and sunlight, allowing for reliable use in different weather conditions. The Veemo is powered by rear hub motor options of 250 watt, 500 watt, or 750 watt, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its 48-volt 15 ampere-hours battery provides a travel range between 19 and 62 miles depending on riding conditions and motor selection, making it suitable for daily city commutes. Despite its durable construction and practical features, the vehicle weighs only 135 pounds, contributing to easier handling and efficiency. For rider comfort, the Veemo includes ergonomic recumbent seating and built-in cargo space for carrying personal belongings or groceries. In terms of performance and safety, it is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, Shimano Altus 9-speed gears, and a waterproof sine wave controller for smooth and dependable operation. Additional safety and convenience features include side mirrors, headlights, and a Bluetooth-connected color display that enhances the riding experience. Its compact dimensions are designed to remain friendly to bike lanes, making navigation in urban environments easier. Designed with sustainable engineering and requiring relatively low maintenance, the Veemo represents an environmentally conscious alternative to traditional commuting vehicles. Starting at $6,299, it offers a balance of efficiency, protection, comfort, and modern electric mobility technology for city riders seeking a greener transportation option.